Sequoia Senior Solutions is certified by the California Association of Health Services at Home. The company is also affiliated with the Senior's Choice, a national leader in senior care, enabling it to share resources, training materials, and best practices to help improve its services. Company caregivers also benefit from continuous training that includes the Certified Companion Aid Program, which is exclusive to Sequoia Senior Solutions. Each employee receives more than 30 hours of training during the first 60 days, along with periodic follow-up sessions. This exclusive training program really pays off, as they have been awarded an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and from the Home Care Standards Bureau. It has been selected for the Best in Class Award from Home Care Pulse, and this year, for the 7th time, Sequoia Senior Solutions has been recognized by the North Bay Business Journal as one of the best places to work in the North Bay. When there is need for other senior care services, Sequoia Senior Solutions works with recognized experts in the field of reverse mortgage consulting, VA benefits, legal counsel, as well as hospice care and other categories as required to assure the maximum comfort, safety, and well-being of their clients. If you would like to know more, call this number.